In this video, we will see how we can generate equals and hashcode method in our classes. Okay, so before Lombok, how we used to do this is we used to control shift and we used to generate hashcode and equals method, and we have this facility to select which property should be part of equals and hashcode. So I'm selecting all for now and I will generate. So this is generated and included on model class. Okay. All right. So now we will see how we can achieve this in Lombok. So Lombok has one annotation which implements equals and hashcode methods for you. And by default, non-static and a non-transient field will be considered with at the rate equals and hashcode annotation. So if we use this annotation at class level, right, at the rate equals and hashcode, right? Now you can see hashcode and can equal and equals method are in the class. All right. Now, if you want to exclude some field which should not be part of your equals and hashcode method, then Lombok provide some of the annotations with include and exclude feature. Let's suppose your requirement is to exclude this first name from the equals and hashcode. Okay, implementation. So you need to do is equals equals and hash code dot exclude. You will use exclude here. So in this way you can exclude this field, and you can say that this field will- and you can say that this field will not be part of the equals and hash code. And suppose there are some static fields in the class, and if you want to include them, then you can use include in place of exclude. Okay. And remember this, that by default, all the non-static and non-transient field will be considered in this annotation. So that's it for this annotations equals and hash code.